To turn on or turn off location tags camera in Samsung Galaxy S20, open camera app. If you use the whole thing, you can open from home screen, tap camera app icon, or from app screen, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap camera, and then tap camera settings. Scroll down camera settings screen, find location tags, and then to turn on location tags, tap location tag switch until blue, or to turn off, tap switch until white. If you turn on location tags, camera will be attached to your picture and videos, so you can see where they were taken. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.